This is the easiest way to lose weight. They call it the sugar killer. The Western world has an addiction problem, but it's not just about drugs or alcohol, it's also about sugar. Sugar is in almost everything we eat, not only in the highly processed or soaked fructose snacks that we love. They are also hidden in healthy foods that most people cannot imagine, such as bread, fruit and dairy products. The average Western man consumes more than 70 pounds of sugar every year, even though a high-sugar diet can be harmful to almost every area of health and beauty. Side effects are not just weight gain, they are premature aging and an increased risk of diabetes, atherosclerosis, heart disease and even cataracts. After 3 days of being out of sweets, the headaches and fatigue will rise and you will have less intense needs for a sugar solution. Then we can really begin the work of reconversion of the taste buds, to enjoy the food with a lower level of intensity of sugar and in normal amounts. This is a diet plan that lasts 2 days. First day. Breakfast, 1 cup of oats with fruits and seeds/almonds or 3 eggs, hard or scrambled eggs. Snack in the morning, 1 bowl of normal size of nuts. Lunch, chicken breast with cooked pumpkin almonds, beans, turnips, beets, carrots and squash. Dinner, salmon with mushrooms and broccoli or grilled fish with a single medium bowl of green beans. Second day. Breakfast, 1 cup of cut oats, plus berries and seeds or almonds or 3 scrambled eggs with added spinach. Mid-morning snack, a medium-sized container of nuts. Lunch, grilled zucchini with lemon and red and yellow pepper, thyme and vinegar dressing or a salad of grated green cabbage and grated carrot with salt, lemon, prepared with olive oil, garnished with chopped parsley. Dinner, steamed green vegetables, plus a vegetable casserole and perfect bean soup or baked cod, roasted turnips and Brussels sprouts. With this, you will no longer feel like taking the sugar.